म्हणजे सद्याक तो कोलवाचो जो इश्यू काडला पळय तुवें पुलीस स्टेशनाचो आनी काल तूं SP-कूय मेळ्ळो, सो कितें जालां आतां फुडें? बिकॉज तुका एविडन्सूय आहा जाल्यार आनीक पुरावे दाखय म्हटलेले, सो कितें जालां आतां फुडें?
ना पयलीं सद्यार म्हाका सद्या आख्ख्या गोंयभर बायलांक आज पयलीं सद्या एक खूंय काय एक होप आहा दॅट देर इज समबडी हू वील एन्श्योर दॅट द कॉप्स डोंट टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ देयर युनिफॉर्म. आज युनिफॉर्म घालून कोणाकूय खूंय हात लावता अशी परिस्थिती जाल्ली आहा. कालच इन्सिडंट रिपोर्ट जालो म्हणटरी आज सकाळीं आमगेले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी एक बायल आयली टू से थँक यू, अँड शी ऑल्सो नरेटेड अ स्टोरी अबाउट द सेम PSI and another PSI who had done similar kind of mischiefs with her.
So it is not only one incident there.
And there are going to be more. So there is another lady who came and she also gave a press statement today in Margao. So into kodon yeta ki these people in uniform are only here now to extract money and to tamge dadagiri dakopak. I strongly will follow up this matter. We want suspension of that PSI mun kal sanglya. I am giving them another 24 plus 24 48 hours for this matter, and I want answer from the SP why what action has been taken in today in 24 hours and by tomorrow, and that suspension must come
of the PSI.
And he cannot stay in the police station with all these complaints coming on him. How is he going to give justice to the common man? बायल पयलीं सद्या येवपाक भितल्यो तेजे बरें आयज दिसाक जर तो पुलीस स्टेशन आतां बायल भितल्यो थिंग येवपाक. ऑलरेडी अ सेकंड रिपोर्ट इज कम टुडे, and there was another report of he even asking for a bribe. So all these things are coming up, and I'm speaking this in media. That means I have got proof.
You have evidences on all
yes,
this?
There is evidences, and more people are going to come out and speak now against this particular boy. If his suspension is not happening, more and more people are going to come out.
Have you brought this to the notice of SP no South?
This today's incident is already come out, I think, in the press. In the morning that lady came to my office and she has expressed herself. So we called the press. The press has already taken her bite. There is already a complaint about this. This incident is also not new. This incident had happened something around the mid of May, and then the complaint was somewhere around the end of May, 28 May. Take a complaint. So this is what is happening. या बायलांक हाती दवरता, बायलांक हुंय दवरता, कितें करता? यंग भुरगे हुंय काय म्हाका दिसता समवेअर दिस बॉय इज सिक. ही इज नॉट स्टेबल. This is what I told the SP yesterday. And if he is not stable and he has done these things, then these things could be done to anybody. That means he doesn't understand. कोणाकूय जावपाक शकता. SP बायलूच आमची. She is also a woman. So we don't know. These things can happen to anybody if a person is not stable. So, and if a person is definitely not stable like this, then he should be immediately pulled out from his position there. Because otherwise he will be going to be a threat, no?
Have you got a satisfactory reply from the senior?
Yes. SP has given assurance. She, being a woman itself, she understands if somebody puts a hand on a woman, what is the feeling of it. She understands that part. So that is, I think, a plus point for us having a SP as a woman. की बायलांक मारल्यान बायलां आंगार हात घातली म्हणटरी कशें फील जाता आनी कसली दुखती ते पयलीं कळटा. दॅट इज वॉट आय एक्चुअली एक्नॉलेज बिकॉज शी बीइंग अ वुमन एंड आई एम श्योर दॅट शी इज गोइंग टू टेक.
So you are giving 48 hours.
We have given her 48 hours and I am telling today 24 hours is over. She has to act.
Okay.